The last thing I'm going to do about materials is applying multiple materials to one object. Okay, so I'm just gonna erase this one, and I have now I have this glass, I have this material. I have a couple of samples here, okay? And I want to add them all to this shape. So I'm going to add edit poly, and I'm going to select some faces, and I'm going to tell these faces that to be this material. And as you can see, it doesn't really work, and I cannot tell the faces to be one material or the other. It applies it to the whole object. So what I have to do is take a multi-object material, multi-sub-object material, and add these materials to it, and add this multi-sub material to my object. And what it does is that right now it takes the first material. That's because every single face is set to 1, okay? But if I start taking faces and I put it in the second channel of this multi-sub and I set it to 2, then it's going to take the second material. And if I tell these faces to be 3, it's going to take the third material. So let's see what it actually does in my Vray viewport. So let's say I have this older material. It's going to be yellow, and I put it on my channel 5. And I select these faces and set it to 5. And there you go. There is, of course, another much simpler way to do this. Okay, and this is by just, I erase this, and I'm going to collapse it all. This is going to make it an editable mesh. I'm going to make it an editable poly. And then I can just select the faces and simply add the material. I don't have to do it with the multi-sub material. Okay, I could totally just erase it. Okay, the reason why I show you the multi-sub material is because sometimes you don't want to collapse to a poly, and you want to have it editable. So that's it for the materials. We are going to maps next.